NumericaIdeas has more than 50,000 of content viewed online. And if you access the newsletter, you will see that we have just released our first community update, which highlights some case statistics you should be aware of. We now have 10 amazing authors working together to produce high quality technical content. And more than 150 members have joined our Discord server. You can do the same too. On the blog and on GitHub, we have 30 projects and articles published freely for you. 7 videos have been released on the YouTube channel in English and French. And the newsletter of the World Community is now available so that we can stay up to date with what we are working on. The RSS feed is now available as well, either for specific authors or for the whole technical blog. The most important action you can take right away to support us are to subscribe to our YouTube channel to be kept posted of new videos, or register to our newsletter to be amongst the first to read our technical pieces, and join our Discord server to interact with like-minded people.